Back to the man accused of brazenly murdering the UnitedHealthcare CEO in Midtown Manhattan last year. The accused was back in court today. Luigi Mangione appearing before a judge in Manhattan this afternoon. A grand jury indicted the 26-year-old on 11 counts, including first and second-degree murder and terror charges in December. CBS News political reporter and attorney Katrina Kaufman was in the courtroom. She joins us now for more on this. Katrina, what happened in court today?
Hi, Lindsay. So today's hearing was a lot of talk about the evidence that's been turned over to Mangione's team and setting a schedule for moving forward. I apologize, it's windy down here. But the judge did set a motion schedule. The defense's motions are due in April, and then the prosecution will reply, and the judge will make a decision on those motions in June. Mangione's attorney also had some things she wanted to say to the judge, including that she is against the fact that he's being brought in shackles to the courtroom. Someone that I actually spoke with outside the court, a member of the public, commented that she didn't think he needed to be surrounded by so many policemen. It was hard to even see him because of how many were in court. And the lawyer, said that when she visits Mangione in prison, for example, he's not shackled and that he's really not a danger. But the judge said that he is more comfortable with leaving him that way in the courtroom. She also objected to the fact that he is in a federal prison, but the state case is moving forward first, although when the judge gave her the option of putting him in a state prison, she really didn't want that change either.
Do we know why he was in a bulletproof vest, and what else can you tell us about Mangione's demeanor today?
I mean, that's a great question, Lindsay. I'm guessing that it's because there's been so much attention on him and this case, but it was striking to see him walk into that courtroom. He was wearing a green cable knit sweater, and that color is actually the color of solidarity for Mangione today. There's a lot of protesters down here wearing that green color as well. And he was wearing brown loafers. His ankles were out, and there were shackles between them. But he was really quite solemn in the courtroom. He looked very serious as he walked in. There were no outbursts from him. The only time he spoke was when he conferred with his attorneys, and we really couldn't hear what they were saying in those moments.
Remind us about the charges against Mangione and the type of punishment he could face.
He's been charged with murder related to an act of terrorism, which elevates that to have the potential for life in prison, Lindsay, as well as some weapons charges and other murder charges as well.
Katrina Kaufman, thank you.